Compressed air system. This lecture is part of the lecture series on steam power plant systems. It may be useful for plant operating staff. This diagram shows compressed air system for a steam power plant. Same diagram but a little bit bigger in size. One can see that compressed air system comprises of two parts. First part, instrument air system. Second part, service air system. Both the systems are connected with each other in such a way that in case of emergency, service air can go to instrument air system, but however, the instrument air cannot go to service air system. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. Compressed air system. Compressed air system comprises two sections. One section, that is the service air, which provides compressed air for general house cleaning, pneumatic tools and other miscellaneous purposes. And other section which meets the instrument air requirement for control of pneumatically operated instruments and drives. The compressed air system is capable of supplying all station air requirements either intermittently or continuously at a pressure of 700 kilopascal to 800 kilopascal. The storage capacity of air receivers may be of 120 to 600 second operation of all air users at the maximum consumption rate. Instrument air system. The instrument air system essentially has to be oil-free, dust-free and dry to prevent condensation of moisture. The system uses compressors with associated suction filters, silencers, intercoolers, aftercoolers and moisture separators to convert ambient air into high pressure instrument air. The discharge from compressors is sent to air receivers for storage and distribution to instrument air loads. The purpose of air receivers is to dampen pulsation in the airline and to meet sudden surging peak requirements beyond the capacity of the compressors. A drain trap is provided at the bottom of each air receiver to drain any accumulated moisture in the receiver. They also facilitate removal of other impurities. Downstream of air receivers, an air drying plant is provided to remove any entrained moisture. The air dryer unit comprises two chambers and is complete with pre and after filters to remove dust, dirt, etc. When in operation, one chamber remains in service and other chamber is put into automatic regeneration. An air drying plant could be the desiccant air drying type, the heat of compression type, or the refrigerant type. The quality of instrument air. The quality of instrument air must meet the following requirements. The dew point value of instrument air at line pressure should be at least 27.8 Kelvin below the minimum temperature to which any part of the instrument air system is exposed at any season of the year, but in no case should exceed 275 Kelvin at line pressure. The maximum particulate size in the air stream should be 3 micrometer. The maximum total oil content should not exceed 1 part per million. The instrument air should be free of all corrosive contaminants and hazardous, that is, inflammable or toxic gases. Service air system. The service air system uses identical compressors as the instrument air system with the appropriate suction filters, silencers, intercoolers, aftercoolers, and moisture separators. The discharge from compressors is sent to service air receivers for storage and distribution to service air loads at selected locations of the plant. At each location, an outlet with a screwed cap and chain is provided to fit a hose. The discharge header of the service air system is interconnected with the discharge header of instrument air system through an isolating valve and a non-return valve. In the event that there is exorbitant demand of instrument air, the branch service the branch serving service air is automatically cut off and the service air is allowed to meet instrument air demand only. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है।